Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of La Fara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 23rd July from around the world. Chinese betrayal. Ladakh disengagement slows down, say sources. China has not pulled back troops from all the areas that it had intruded into Ladakh near the line of actual control. In May, government sources. After several rounds of military talks, the Chinese have not held up their part in disengagement process in eastern Ladakh, where 20 Indian soldiers were killed in a clash with the Chinese on June 15. China's troops are still present in the Dipsang Plains region, Gogra and the Fingers region along the Pangong Lake, where India and China had started a mutual disengagement by creating a buffer zone between both sides. Amit Shah meets BJP. Veteran LK Advani ahead of Babri case hearing. Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday called on veteran BJP leader LK Advani, who will record his statement in the 1992 Babri Mosque demolition case on Friday. The 92-year-old, named among the accused in the case related to the razing of the Babri Mosque in Ayodhya, is expected to appear before a special CBI court via video link. Amit Shah and LK Advani spoke for around 30 minutes. Coronavirus live updates. Bhopal to impose lockdown from July 24 to August 23. Kerala, for the first time on Wednesday, breached the 1,000 mark in COVID-19 cases in a single day after it declared 1,038 more positive cases on Wednesday. Out of this, 785 cases are due to local transmission. While addressing a press conference, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said the state may go for complete lockdown again as the COVID-19 cases are on the rise. We had previously implemented a complete lockdown in the state. We are aware of such viewpoints. Although it has not been decided yet, I think we still have to consider it, he said. From HCQ threat to praising scientists, how Donald Trump has reacted to India's COVID-19 situation. On Tuesday, US President Trump said the United States was leading the world in terms of COVID-19 testing and India was at the second position, underscoring the strong bilateral relationship and his bonhomie with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We are going to be over 50 million tests, the second country in India with 12 million tests. Then you have 7 million, 6 million and 4 million. I think that we are doing a tremendous amount of testing, Trump said at a White House news conference. In fact, since April, Trump has on numerous occasions showered praise on PM Modi in his handling of the COVID-19 situation and called Indian Americans as great scientists, but also at the same time struck a retaliatory tone on the supply of hydroxychloroquine from the country. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.